Today in front of me new iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by triple click to our home button, you can see that I can activate the assistive touch, and if you want to turn off this feature, you should click here into the settings, scroll down to the accessibility, and now just tap to the accessibility shortcuts, and here you just should also tap once on the assistive touch, and now when I'll click triple on our home button, you can see that I just can't open anymore this feature. So that's it. That's how to disable quick launch on our iPhone SE 2022. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.